Crypto has just seen its worst crash since 2022. Bitcoin has dropped over $10,000 in value. Ethereum's crashed over $600 and some other coins have completely failed. And the reason for it links back to real world issues that you would never have thought of. So first, let's discuss why this is even happening in the first place. This crash occurred between the 4th and the 6th of August. So as you can see from this chart, just before the Bitcoin crash happened, it was at $61,000, and then after it happened, it was at $53,000. There were multiple things that happened, from wars to extreme liquidation to the downfall of some of the biggest exchanges available. We'll start with the war talk and we'll see how exactly that impacted crypto. Israel and Iran are currently in conflict, as well as what's going on in Palestine. During a war, commodities like gold and oil rise in value, and that results in high inflation. High inflation basically means that there's no rate cuts, which is bearish for stocks and crypto. And this is why crypto has sold off so heavily in the markets recently, as certain people inside of the crypto space anticipated that this war would cause certain downfalls on certain coins in the market. And that would eventually lead into no rate cuts. Once BTC and altcoins started crashing, those who had high leverage positions open started getting liquidated. And that resulted in more people starting to sell, driving the coin straight down. However, that's not the only thing, because something happened during 2020 of March, during the COVID pandemic. When the Russia and Ukraine war was announced, the whole market started to panic sell, and then it rebounded within a month. As per some media sites, Iran already made their allies aware in advance. This means that the cartel was ready for this dump. They just waited till the weekend as there was low volume, and then they crashed the market completely. After the market started to panic sell, they bought the dip as usual, and that resulted in a quick bounce. The lesson here is to avoid leverage trades and keep your portfolio in spot. This is the best way to maximize your gains while keeping your risk at a minimum level. It's important to know that after every Black Swan event, the crypto market has witnessed insane runs, and it will happen this time too. And I also want to discuss how the crash affected Ethereum as well. On the 2nd of August, ETH peaked at $2,900, and then when the crash happened, it went down to $2,300. Crypto investors and traders lost approximately $1.08 billion in total liquidations amid uncontrolled fall in prices of prominent cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, ETH, and Solana. On August 5th, the crypto market saw a significant decline owing to the weakening global economy, which was catalyzed further by the crash of the Japanese stock market. In the process, 300,000 crypto traders were liquidated from their leveraged positions or their collateral trades. Traders holding long positions on crypto exchanges lost $315 million in under 24 hours. On the other hand, shorters lost $62.23 million in the same process. During the same timeline, Ethereum traders that were also holding long lost $305 million, while traders holding short positions lost just over $50 million. Long positions across all crypto assets lost $930 million in under 24 hours. While shorters lost $163.45 million. As shown here, most liquidations took place on Binance, the largest crypto exchange by trading volume. Other prominent crypto liquidations were recorded on OKX, Huobi, Bybit, and BitMEX, along with other exchanges. And now we need to take a look at the Mt. Gox exchange. Mt. Gox was a Bitcoin exchange based in Tokyo, Japan. It launched in 2006 as a tradable card game service, but Mt. Gox transitioned into a Bitcoin exchange in 2010 and handled over 70% of all Bitcoin transactions globally by 2014. An exchange is somewhere that you can just hold, buy, and trade crypto. Now, Mt. Gox appears to have sent over $2 billion to a new address on the 6th of August. Mt. Gox transferred 33,105 bitcoins, which equates to about 2.19 billion, to an address starting with BC1Q26. However, it's not immediately clear who actually owns this address. A Mt. Gox trustee said in a July 24th statement that it has made repayments in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash to certain creditors. The trustee added that it's made repayments to over 17,000 creditors. The wallets that appear to be associated with Mt. Gox still hold around $5.29 billion worth of Bitcoin. And separately, just to throw it in there, the platform suffered a major security breach in 2014. Resulting in over 850,000 bitcoins lost. In light of all these events happening, the Japanese stock market has absolutely plummeted. The S&P 500 dropped nearly 3%, and that was its worst day in years. The Dow Jones Industrial average thrilled by 2.6%, while Nasdaq slid 3.4% as Apple, Nvidia and other big tech companies that used to be stars of the stock market continue to wilt. Even gold, that has a reputation of offering safety during hard times, even slipped by 1%. Look guys, I'm a person that strictly makes videos around finance, and I want you to know that all of this is just a minor bump in the road. If you lost money in the crash, don't let emotions get in the way of your investment strategies, and make sure to get back up on your feet. This is life. You don't always win. It's persistence and constantly getting knowledge on how crypto operates that will help you succeed in the near future. My name's Ty White. Make sure to thank me later.